Hello guys, this is Jay Patadia from Dreamland Production. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So this video will be an update over a previous video regarding DJI Mini 2 that I have uploaded, where we saw that how to hack the DJI Mini 2 so that it can fly above 15 meter using the drone hack software. And we know that it was a solution, but it is not a feasible one because it is not a permanent. And once you have hacked it, you can use it for maximum 8 hours because you need to keep your DJI application running in the background, and once you close your application, once you stop using it, the maximum it can run in the background is for 8 hours. So you need to carry your laptop everywhere if you want to fly it above 15 meter, and you need to hack it again and again, which was very difficult. So the good thing now is that the Drone Hacks team has come up with an application, an Android application, using which you can hack your drone within just a minute or two. Now this application is not for free. You need to pay 25 euros, which is around 2200 to 2300 rupees. But if you have invested 45 to 50,000 rupees in your drone, or more than 50,000 rupees in your drone, it is advisable that we invest some additional amount and have the best from your drone. We use it at the full capacity, and I'll show you how you can buy the license for this application, how you can install and how you can use this application. So you need to open the website of Drone Hacks, go to my account and sign up. It is very easy. You just need to enter your details and your email address. You need to create a password, you need to enter your address, and then you need to continue, and you will have your account. I already have one, so I will just enter my details and I will log in. So once you are logged in, you just need to click on DH Companion for Android, then select Buy Lite License, then select your drone. We will select DJI Mini 2, click on Buy Lite License. It will show one Lite license and the amount will be 25 euros. Let's check out. Click on the acceptance terms, and here you will see that you have two options for the payment. Either you can just fill in your credit card details and then you can make the payment, or you can use your PayPal account for the payment. So let's see the interface for the first option. Now one very important thing to note here is that your credit card should have the facility to make international payments. If your credit card does not have this facility, then you can go to your bank and you can ask for that. Otherwise you will not be able to make the payment, you will not be able to purchase the license. My card have this facility, so let's check out. Okay, so now you need to enter your email ID and then your credit card details, and then you can pay 25 euros. Now let's see the second option. If you want to check out with PayPal, I would prefer to check out with PayPal because it is more safe. And let's see. Now here as well, it is important that your credit card should have the facility to make international payments, because in PayPal you need to link your credit card only and then make the payment. So let's see the interface here. So you need to enter your password, log in. Once you log in, it will take you to the PayPal payment gateway, and here you can select on Pay Now and done. Your purchase will be made, and after that you will receive an email from no-reply@DroneX, and in that email you need to tap on click here button, and it will take you to the website of DroneX. Here you need to click on download Android app, and you need to download the application and install it in your mobile. Okay, now you need to switch on your drone and your remote control. Once it is done, you need to attach the cable with your mobile. And you need to open the DJI Fly application. Here as you can see that we have not done the hack, and maximum altitude is 15 meter only. Now you need to detach the cable and press the home button. You need to keep the application running in the background. Then once again reattach the cable, and this time in the prompt you need to tap on the drone hex application, and you need to tap on the remote controller of DJI Mini 2. Then you need to enter the email ID and password that you have chosen while creating the account on DroneHex, and you will be logged in. And now as you can see that there is a button of 500 meter height. You just need to click that button and that's it. Your hike is now in place. So now once again you need to detach the cable and reattach it. And this time you need to open the DJI Fly app. Now let's see. So as you can see that the maximum altitude is now 500 meters, and we can alter the RTH altitude as well. So now let's see if it flies above 15 meter or not. So as you can see that we have already crossed 15 meters and we are still going up. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I do make tutorials, trial films and short films. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.